If you love to multiply and make free plants out of the plants that you already have brought from the nursery or ones from the plants that you have in your garden already, so this is how you do it, and these are the plants that you can easily multiply. So let's see what are the plants that you can easily multiply and double the growth and double plants. So when doing gardening, we all know that once you bring a plant from a nursery, if you can multiply them easily, that is a bonus for the gardener. So let's see what are the plants that you can multiply and keep, one indoors, one outdoors, and also you can have double plants to give as gifts also. So let's see what are the easy plants to grow. How to make free plants. We as gardeners, when we start up gardening, we love doubling them. We like multiplying the plants that we have. So when it comes to spider plant, you can multiply the plant in very short period, because once this plant produces spiderets, you can make more plants out of it. So put these plants in water, propagate them in water, and you can easily multiply your plants so that you can easily multiply them. You can grow them back in small pots or even bigger pots, even indoors or else outdoors. This is the easiest way to multiply spider plant. So talking about these plants and how you grow them, so grow these plants really very faster in water, or else you can propagate them in soil. By that you can get free plants out of the spider plant. Now you can see how many plants that I have made just with a single plant which I brought from a nursery. Hello friends, welcome back to Tamara's garden. Today the video is how to make free plants out of the plants that you have in your garden. Coleus plant is another beautiful and wonderful variegated plant which you can easily grow and double the growth in no time, because this plant you can grow from stems, and once you have a one color you can make multiple plants out of it. Now so here you can see I had couple of stems of coleus, and after that I cut them and put them in different pots, so that I got lot of plants out of one plant. Select a small stem from the coleus plant, put it in water or else put it in soil directly. You can multiply the plant really very easily. This is another beautiful plant to start up with, and also another beautiful leafy plant so that you can add to your garden and make it so beautiful. So this is a beautiful plant which you can multiply and make free plants out of it. Swiss cheese plant also you can make free plants out of it with cutting a area with a nod. So take a simple cutting with the nod. Now if I cut it from here, I can get another plant. So likewise you can double the plants by cutting them from the nod area and putting them in soil or water. Here is another Swiss cheese plant of mine, and this is also you can make free plants really very easily. Money plant. This is another plant which you can easily multiply and get more free plants. With a small stem cutting, you can propagate them easily in water. You can cut the stem area where there's a node. So put them in water or soil and you will have free plants without any buying any more plants from a nursery. This is moss rose. This is moss rose plants. I only have a very small stems in two pots. Here I have one, and here I have another moss roses. And these plants also you can grow easily without any trouble. Once you get one plant, you can make many out of it, and also you need only a small stem to grow. So this is another beautiful plant to make free plants easily. This is Wandering Jew. This plant also you can grow with a single stem, and also you can put a small cutting in a plastic pot or a container and make free plants. But such a beautiful plant and also easy to grow plant. So once you get one plant from a nursery, you can make many out of it. So this is another wonderful plant which you can make free plants easily. This is Syngonium plant, and this is another plant which you can grow easy plants out of them and also multiply them soon, and they grow in no time. So now you can see my whole pot is covered with the Syngonium plant. So this is Syngonium, and you can make free plants out of them with the node area. Cut them and put them back again in another pot. You need only the node area to grow. So put them in water or else in another pot.